Model 2013 Volkswagen CR County Route 35 long wheelbase, diesel 2.0 TDI 136PS chassis cab body, white, Luton box with working tail lift mileage, 108444 MOT. The 28th of October 2023 engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 136 PSC transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400